In today's walk, we're going to focus on the West End, specifically Leicester Square, Chinatown, Covent Garden and Trafalgar Square. We're going to walk around and keep doing loops to see what different light we can get, what subjects we can get, and generally speaking, if I can walk away with 2 or 3 images, I mean that's a very good result. So, hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. In terms of camera gear, I'm using my Fuji XT4 and a 35mm f2 prime. I do have the 23 and the 50 in the bag just in case, but I aim to do the whole day with just the 35 to keep things simple. If you prefer, you can just stay in one of these small areas and focus just on that. So for example, you can do Chinatown or Covent Garden and that's it. However, in my experience, I found that because these places are so small, you can get bored very quickly. Also, somewhere like Covent Garden, it is actually private property, so they have security there. So if you're just walking around for like 2 hours with your camera, they might start looking at you a bit funny. But generally speaking, this is more to keep you interested and to keep you sort of mentally active when you are walking around and taking photos.